So class 7, look at question number 7. This is a last question from the exercise 1.4. So look at very carefully. This is also very simple like another questions. So our question is, an elevator descent into a mine shaft at rate 6 meter per second. Okay, sorry, per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? So, initial height of the elevators. Initial height of the elevator is given. What is given in question? That is 10 meter. Okay. Initial height of the elevator is 10 meter. Okay. Final depth of elevator is also given minus 350 meter. Okay, that is given in question. Total distance to descended by elevator. How can you find? Simple, by minus, by subtract both the digit. Because final depth minus initial depth, you will get total distance to descended by elevator. So, minus 350 here, minus and 10. That means both will be subtracted. Already here minus sign. Okay, this is different sign, subtraction sign. Now, minus minus plus 350 plus 10 is 360. But the answer should be in greatest digit like minus 360. Okay, now answer is minus 360 meter. Now comes in next step. What is our next step? Simple. Time taken by elevator to descend minus 6 meter. Our answer is time taken by the elevator to descend minus 360 meter. Simply we will divide minus 360 minus 360 divided by minus 60. What you will get now? Minus minus plus and 360 divided by 60, you will get 60. 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So answer is 1 hour. So this is our 7th question. I think 7th question is very easy for you also. So now this exercise is completed. If there is any doubt related to this exercise, you can ask me on my comment box. Please subscribe Maths Blaster channel so that I can send you many more videos